kind of getting sick of walking through the woods, so I think I might go back to a hiking channel.
Hi, I'm Michael Wright, and I'm a traveling, adventuring, geocaching type of guy. I love to get out and explore new places and find cool hidden treasures. Well, sort of treasures, it's mostly toys, honestly. This is Adventures and Things.
So this says it should be 100 feet north off the trail. 100 feet. I probably should have been counting how many steps I've taken. Damn it. So this one's supposed to be in a log, which means it's probably dark. That's why I pull out this. Just keep looking down there, you'll find it. No? Yeah, it's right here. This isn't too bad of an idea. A silica pack in there so it doesn't get all wet. If you like this, like, subscribe, and well, see you later.